here we are once again on the back pad with Teresa's car, stumbling through this T5 to AOD swap. Hey, that's not your signal just to come over here when I start talking. I know, rubs, I get it. It's humid, it's hot. I don't understand why the weather's like this. It should not be like this. I've got a hole in my shirt. My motivation level is about a 2 out of 10. Oh my God. What's up? And we're gonna finish bolting up the headers. We're gonna try and get as much done today as we can, just slogging through this. We did get our GoPro fixed, sort of. The Wi-Fi part still doesn't work, which is very aggravating and very time consuming when I'm editing these videos. It makes life miserable for me, but you know what? We love misery. That's why we're doing this all the time. So, right, you know all about misery. So anyway, let me get to work. We're just doing basic stuff. I may show a little bit here and there, but we're just bolting the headers, and we're basically just, you know, putting the wiring harness, just putting the injectors back on the hole. We're just putting it back together. The only real big thing we gotta do is put the clutch cable through, put the drive shaft in. We gotta trim the floor a little bit, but we're getting pretty close. We may actually even start it up today, just for the heck of it. So, or we may not. Maybe tomorrow. What? All right. Well, we'll see you guys later. This is already. Ooh, that's a minute 30. That's a minute and a half long, Jack, of nothingness, of just me running my mouth hole. All right. Yeah, I know, rubs. All right. Let's get to work, bud. That is one thing I love about the van, well, with a 302 in it. We pulled both headers off, didn't have to jack it up or anything, and they slid right in and slid right out. Love that. If only Mustangs were so easy. But we got the header out. It's laying on the ground. Got to take the other header off of this one, swap it. The good news is this is actually doing a little work for us, because we're going to have to take the headers off anyway to take the transmission out. You can see basically how much easier of a job it is in the van than it is, say, in a Mustang. So that helped us out a little bit just by taking the headers off. We're already ahead of the game. So all right, well, let's get back to work. All right, we're bolting the header down. Well, I shouldn't say we are bolting it down. I'm bolting it down. Jack is just doing what he always does. He's freaking grooming himself right here on the car. What's up? Huh? Psst. Hey, psst, psst. Whatever. You don't even care. All right, well, we're bolting the headers down. We got them all in. So we're going to have to do a little something with the exhaust, but whatever. It's turning into a race car, like all of them. All right, let's go to work. All right, while it doesn't technically look much different than it did, 20 minutes ago, we have made some progress. Jack has been a huge help, as always. We've got some serious grooming going on right about now. He's enjoying a little bit of the fan. So we've got the headers bolted down, the harness is hooked back up. We still got to do the steering column or the steering shaft. We got to do the finish bolting in the doing the cross member and a few other little things, hook up the clutch cable and stuff like that. But we're making progress slowly but surely. All right, guys, not that you can see it or even that you care, we've got the clutch cable all hooked up. Got that super awesome ACT that used pressure plate and that Chinese clutch disc. Hey man, don't mess with Chinese. You don't mess with China, right, Jack? They make some good stuff. Okay, well, there you go. America. You America, ain't you, Jack? Yeah. Okay, he don't give a flip. Rubs. Okie doke. Well, we got the shifter bolted in. Woo! Steering shaft is bolted in, ready to go. Clutch cable's all hooked up. Motor mounts are tightened up. We got the radiator in. What else have we done here? Oh, we got a new spark plug in. We've got the we've got the drive shaft in. We've got the cross member bolted down. We got the speedo cable in. We still got to put fluid in it. Run the gauges back, the mechanical gauges back, and all this, and a few other little stuff, but we're making progress. Well, we've got it all wrapped up. It's got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but amazingly, we found that we had an H-pipe that would actually fit these banged up BBKs. As much as they were bent up, I was shocked. So we actually have a little bit of a semblance of an exhaust system so we can take it out and drive it around. I honestly thought we were going to have to go ahead and do the bullets and stuff, and well, I just didn't have this laying on the shelf. So we can actually drive the car around. As you can see, we have got some rain that is moving in. Oh, look at that, my neighbor loves burning stuff. So we haven't completely got it buttoned up, but we do have some things in here so we can drive it and see what's what. So, like I say, we got the exhaust on, we've fired it up, we've rolled it through the gears. The clutch feels, I'm not 100% happy with the way it feels off the floor and stuff, just the travel, but you know, it is what it is. Let's just take it out on the road and drive it. That always tells me if I like it or not. So, all right, well, we'll see you guys in a few minutes in the car. Well, guys, we didn't make it. We drove it down the road, and the rain's fixing to start coming in. And if we're gonna, we'll finish this vid up here for long. All we gotta do is the drive, and I mean, I drove it just basically down the road, and seemed to shift okay. Not 100% fan of the clutch setup, but I gotta move that piece of cardboard. Teresa's already mad about that. Not mad, but she's like, "Don't, it's looking trashy." So anyway, sorry, we'll get to it. Man, this thing is dirty as crap. There goes Jack. It's raining, Jack. Yeah, I know. It's raining, wind's blowing. So, all right, well, we gotta go. We'll finish this up. The next time you see this car will be when it's driving. All right, we gotta go. Come on, dude. Okay, well, it's later in the afternoon. The rain rained hard enough to make everything visible, and we had a little some family stuff to do. So now we're back and we're cruising around in it. Of course, it doesn't sound great with the way we've got the H-pipe rigged up on it. Our shift light, we got to remount it. We had some body molding tape holding it. We haven't got the console put back together yet. We just wanted to take it out and do some preliminary drive in it. Not sure how I feel about the clutch. Shift's pretty good though. That was third. That was the 2-3, little power shift. So this isn't a race car for us. It's you know, we typically drive this car a lot. So for us, you know, we just wanted to make it where it's more fun to drive, not race it all the time. Like I say, we've only taken this thing to the track, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 times the whole time we've actually owned it. So anyway, maybe we'll give it one more little rip here in a minute or two to kind of wrap this up. Guys, well, I apologize for the wind noise. You've seen us drive it around a little bit. You've seen us miss a few gears. The clutch is going to take a little bit of getting used to on this car. It's a little different than the other ones, but transmission works fine. The car's running. Doesn't sound great, but you know, hey, whatever. Look, you guys are wiggling. The wind, man, it's like always when I'm doing this wind. Anyway, this wraps up our T5 swap. We've got a stick in it. We you know, we got a stick in it. So till next time, I know this is a train wreck. Till next time, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and as always, especially thanks for commenting. So until next time, we'll see you later on the substandard video leader and Fox body videos. See, without Jack here, we just can't do it right. So, all right, well, we'll see you guys later on.